In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Apple gift card on the Apple Store. Whether it's a gift from a loved one or a well-deserved treat for yourself, using an Apple gift card can be a straightforward process if you know where to start. Let's dive into it step by step, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying your new Apple products. First, you'll want to grab your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Open your Apple Store app if you have it installed. If not, you can simply open a browser and head over to apple.com. Once there, be sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. This step is crucial because having an account ensures that your purchases are tracked and you have access to all of your Apple features. Once you've logged in, it's time to browse and select the items you want to purchase. Take your time to explore the Apple Store's wide range of products. Whether you're looking for a new iPhone, a sleek MacBook, or just some essential accessories, adding the items to your bag is only a click away. Remember, if there's anything you need to check more closely, most products have detailed specs and reviews available. After you've added your chosen items to your bag, look for the checkout button and give it a tap or a click. This will take you to a screen where you can review all your selections. From here, you'll see a breakdown of your order, acting as your last chance to add or remove anything before finalizing the purchase. At checkout, you should see an option to add a gift card. It may be located alongside other payment methods, so keep an eye out for it. Click on Add Gift Card, which will prompt you to enter your gift card details. At this point, pull out your gift card and locate the code. This code is usually a series of numbers and letters, and you'll need to type it exactly as shown. Once you've entered your gift card code, your card's balance should automatically apply to your order. If your gift card covers the entire purchase, you won't need to pay anything extra. If there's a remaining balance, you can select an additional payment method for that amount. Now you're ready to complete your purchase. With the gift card balance deducted from your total, simply confirm your shipping details and proceed. That's it, your gift card is now successfully used and your purchase is on its way. I hope this guide helps you have a smooth shopping experience at the Apple Store. Enjoy your new tech, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.